Have you ever wondered what causes your acne and why? Have you done all the Googling one can do and you're still stumped? Welcome to Ask SERUMIZE. In this series, we're going to address popular skincare questions that we receive daily in our esthetician help mail. Hi, my name is Lesley. I am a medical esthetician and skincare therapist for 8 years. In this video, you're gonna learn all my tips, tricks, and proven ingredient combinations that will drastically improve your acne within weeks. So you're probably asking yourself, what is acne? Acne is an inflammatory skin condition when the hair follicles become plugged with dead skin cells and sebum. Now, I'm asked this all the time, why do I have acne? Well, there's so many things that contribute to this. One of the biggest things is hormones, number one. Number two is diet. Do you have any dietary needs or things that cause inflammation within the body, as well as improper product usage and genetics as well. So one of your best defense against acne is a BHA. That's called a beta-hydroxy acid. Now, the Clear Fight from SERUMIZE contains a 2% salicylic acid. So what salicylic acid does is it actually scoops down into the pore, dissolving the oil and sebum in the cell. On top of that, we're also targeting the inflammation. Acne and inflammation are always combined together. So Clear Fight also contains manuka honey, which is extremely soothing and calms inflammation. So one of the biggest misconceptions with acne is that an acneic skin does not need to be hydrated, and it absolutely does. I've seen so many clients who come in and they're overusing BHAs like salicylic acid, which is great for acne and has its purpose, but what it's doing is it's over drying the skin. Now, what I call that is the hamster in the wheel method. It's causing you severe dehydration, which is actually going to continue your breakouts or even make them more severe. So you have to make sure when you're implementing things that we call actives, like salicylic or retinol, you have to put hydration on top of that. If you do not replenish the skin, the cycle of acne will continue, and you should always treat that inflammation first. All right, guys, so here are some of my favorite ingredients for acne. The first one would have to be niacinamide. Guys, this is an absolute favorite of mine. It's a multifunctional ingredient that treats so many different things: inflammation, acne, and it repairs the skin barrier. Like I said, an absolute must. The second would be benzoyl peroxide. Now, yes, benzoyl peroxide is drying, but just like we spoke about, increasing that hydration and adding that hydration in combination with the benzoyls is gonna give you the results that you want within weeks. Now guys, one of the things I see across the board with all my clients is they have so many different products, so many different lines, and they're doing too much for their skin. It is so important to keep our routine simple when it comes to an acneic skin. You want to keep it simple to about a 4-step routine that you do day and night, the same thing. When you're consistent, you're going to get those results. Okay guys, so I know the big question probably is, what is my routine going to look like? Well, I'm here to guide you. So the first step would be cleansing with something gentle like the Ultra Restore Cleanser. The second step would be using an active like our 2% salicylic Clear Fight serum, followed of course by hydration with our Quench, which is a hyaluronic acid and 12 peptides, so it's super anti-aging as well. You always get that anti-aging in. And then lastly, finish with a light moisturizer that's niacinamide based, and of course, never forget your SPF. I always try to educate my clients about inflammation and inflammatory foods. Dairy, that's one of the culprits. So, decreasing or completely taking dairy out of your diet is strongly encouraged as well. As skin therapists and medical estheticians, there's only so much we can do. So, I always encourage, if your acne continues and it doesn't seem to clear up, to see your local dermatologist as well. All right, guys, so that's a wrap on what causes acne and why and how we treat it. If you have any further questions, you can ask us and follow us at SERUMIZE on Instagram. Please like, comment, and follow. And we're always here to guide you and help you out with any of your skincare woes. You can also add me at L.A.B Beauty Toronto. And my name is Lesley, and it was a pleasure to talk to you.